welcome back. Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn variables in Python. So let's start. So this video is going to be very useful for beginners. So please watch the video till the end. Okay. I am going to write a variable called number equals 100. Now let me run this cell. What will happen is the Python interpreter will allocate some space in your computer storage. It will store this in your computer storage space. Then when we print it out, let me print this out first. Print number. When I print this out, it is going to copy the storage. It's going to copy this from the storage. Okay. And show it on the screen. Let's take another example. Number equals 20. Okay, so let me run this cell. The same process will repeat. The Python interpreter will allocate some space in your storage. Then number equal to 20. Let's print this out. Print number. Let me run this cell. Okay, so I printed out there. That's it for this video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and share the video with your friends and everyone. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.